Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Nova Educational Academy, Ladkano. This is Imran Sodar, lecturer in physics, Government Degree College, Ladkano. Dear student, we are doing so far the chapter number 2. Yesterday we discussed about the SI system and the drive units. Today we are going to discuss lecture number 4, scientific notation. It is very useful related with the problems of the physics. Most of the student, they have a very low background related with this topic. If your scientific notation or standard form are weak, you will not be able to calculate the problems of physics, and you know that the physics is purely related with mathematics. So basically we are dealing the measurement related with the data. So when the data is higher, when the data is even the lower, it is very difficult to read that data, to deal with that data. So that's why the scientific notation have been introduced to make the data very easy. Scientific notation, these are the numbers which are expressed in the power of 10. Scientific notation, these are simply the numbers which are expressed in the power of 10. Scientific notation is a way of expressing numbers that are too big or too small. उहे नंबर जेके तमाम वधीक हुजन या तमाम घट हुजन, to be conveniently written in decimal form. So it is commonly used by the scientists, mathematicians and engineers. Let's say the moon is 384,000 and 000 meters away from the earth. So the distance of the moon from the earth can also be expressed as 3.84 into 10 power 8 meter. We can easily just write down, we can easily read that data. So this is how, this is a scientific notation. So this form of expressing a number is called the standard form or scientific notation. This saves writing down or interpreting large number of zeros. Let's say 467 000 and 0, 7 zeros and 467. Now what is going there? There is a point, it is understood. Now we want to wish this point to move from the left side. One thing, dear student, keep in mind, whenever just we move this point to the left side, your power must be positive, and when this point is going to move on the right side, your power must be the negative. When the power is positive, means it is a larger data. When the power is negative, it means it's a smaller data. How much smaller data? Less than 1. Now let's see, when this point is shifted from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, we are going to put this decimal point between 4 and 6. Here this is a decimal point that has been placed between 4 and 6. Now how many values you have been crossed? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now your power must be the 9. So this is a way you can express the data into the scientific notation. Now one thing keep in mind, scientific notation and standard form, there is just one difference between the scientific notation and standard form. Let's say if I want to place this point between 6 and 7, then it will be 46.7 into 10 power 8. Now this 46.7, it's not a standard form, but the standard form describes that your coefficient, it must be from the 1 to 9. It must not be the 10, it must not be less than 1, means 0.1. So we have many other values. Let's say 100, and 100, there is a decimal point. We want to shift this decimal point. Again, we are crossing the two values. Our power is a 2. Here 4321. Now 4321, this decimal point is going to be shifted 1 2 3. We are going to put this decimal point here, so that will be the 4.231. Now how many values you have crossed? You have crossed the 3 values, so your power will be the 3. Now 1.23, this is again clearly defined as a standard form. So 1.23 into 10 power 0, if you remember in mathematics 10 power 0 is equal to 1. So again that is the same data. 0.25, now we are dealing with a smaller data. How much smaller data? It must be less than 1. Now we are going to shift this decimal point on the right side. So this point is shifted on the right side. So again we have just crossed the 1 value. So 2.5 into 10 power minus 1. As I told you that whenever we change this decimal point to the right side, your power must be the negative. But now it depends upon you that how many values you are going to cross. Here you have only crossed 1 value, so that will be the 2.5 into 10 power minus 1. Again we have another data, 0.0007925. Now this decimal point is going to be shifted. Again we have crossed 1 2 3 and 4. We have to put this decimal point between 7 and 9. Now this is 7.925. Now how many values you have crossed? 4 values you have crossed. Now in which direction you have just crossed? You have just changed into the right side. It means that this data is very smaller, and this coefficient, this power must be the negative. So 7.925 into 10 power minus 4. You can clearly identify the larger data and smaller data. This is a larger data, your power is a positive, and this is a very smaller data, your power is minus 4. Next, standard form are again scientific notation. Again 4 000 we are going to express this. Again 3 3 6 6 and 9, so it will be 4 into 10 power 9. This is a standard form. Again 3 6 000. Again point, you have to just put between the 3 and 6. So how many values you have crossed? 3 and 1, how much? That will be the 4. So 3.6 into 10 power 4, that is the expression of the standard form. Again there is a smaller data, 0.000543. again you have to shift this point again here, so that will be how many values you have crossed? 4. But the data is smaller, your decimal point is going to be shifted on the right side, so your power must be the negative. Here this 36000, you can also express this 36 into 10 power 3. Okay, this is also the right method, but this is a scientific notation. But whenever we are dealing with the standard form, this is not a standard form, but this is a standard form. How? Because the value is just from the 3.6, means it's not a greater than 10, it's not a less than 1. So that's why you can express this, you can compare the standard form and scientific notation. Dear student, we have also another technique, addition and subtraction. Let's say 4.2 into 10 power 4 plus 7.3 into 10 power 5. Whenever this situation occurs, it means there's a different powers. You cannot add here 7.3 and 4.2, that will be 11.5 into 10 power. You cannot express, this is a wrong method. But what is going there? 4.2 you have to make a common, 10 power 4. Again 7.3 into 10 power 5, it can be expressed into point, just shift kayo to right side te. Again that will be the -1 5 ma subtract kanda se gana thinda 4 thinda. Now this data 73 into 10 power 4 and 4.2 into 10 power 4. Now you can add this here, 73 and 4.2, that will be 77.2. so the power will be the same. So 77.2 into 10 power 4, this is the right method. Or you can change into the standard form, is 7.72 into 10 power 5.